Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You already have a valid test and your phone ready. Let's begin. First, confirm the brand and how long it's been since you applied the sample, because timing affects result visibility. Once done, open the app and grant camera and storage access so the checker can analyze the image. Place the test on a flat, neutral background and move to even lighting. This reduces glare and helps the algorithm read faint lines accurately. Now position the phone directly above the strip and frame it tightly. Now follow the app's guide overlay and align the test precisely within the on-screen frame. Correct alignment ensures the algorithm targets control and result windows. Avoid using flash since it can blow out faint lines. Instead, use consistent ambient light or a lamp set about 0. 5 to 1 meter away from the side to reduce reflections. Tap capture, then inspect the automatic crop and rotation the app made. If needed, adjust the crop slightly so the result window sits centered before. When the analysis finishes, read the result statement and the confidence score. This tells you how certain the app is and helps interpret faint or borderline lines. If the result is unclear or low confidence, rescan with better side lighting or recheck within the manufacturer's recommended time window. Subtle lines can appear or fade. If the app disagrees with what you see, take a fresh test or contact your healthcare provider. And make sure to save the images and timestamps for any follow-up.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.